Mati jonga Chiklo ni phai kretroxia ni dongmu kakarong sopia long teachers eligibility test mate TET asat lang pen ki undun lo Thanbang atum kaddu kawe pen bang pharohini ra trokner kebra trok Thanbang atum aphan staff inspection unit mate SIU asai kipachun pon pereka jok Chiklo Jon krep ho Bainong kelongle dera aphuthak pherang kya mai ke phapon Labangso pherangkia mayalong teachers eligibility test mate TET asat langpen ki undun lo Thanbang atum Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Executive Member Dr. Tuliram Ronghang lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Education in Charge EM Richard Tokbia Tumaphan Arsikjit pen kelong nangji Bainong to anstami prabjin pen SIU asai pachun pon pen Bainong kiti ponja phan chuningri padoponlo Labangso pherangkia mayalong Chiklo Jon krip ho Bainong kelong litera jok kiso kachelang asomara tumaphat school fees kedam kewang ki choki jonalong kisung thektik kachetong nangber along kepa jok dunjia phan chuning pong
because we are suffering from financial problems and we have to face all the difficulties, all the hardships related to financial money problems. We are facing financial crisis to educate our children, to pay our EMI, to bank loan, and to go to our respective schools. We have no money to go to fill our vehicles, oil, petrol, and to come back. So, once again, I request all the dignitaries to understand our problems and speed up the work and release our salary as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thanbang atum pen ke than pon thuke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Education Department hin pen mati jonga Chiklo ni phai krep horni ME school along lo Thanbang anghoi ke papleng ponji aphan advertisement peklang ponlu labang so ting pen lo ke Thanbang pu abang thiatum jojok dunlo la sonsi satlang sitami pidunlo la pen interview sitami ke damtang aningkan thang achiklo ni phai kep crazy krehini la pen cricket homarni nipli ana farman interview padoponlo laben aphi apuna chak choklo pusi surihini ra inkora hini aningkan jangmia Chiklo ni phai krep horni joy sing doloi auditorium hall along Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma athenglo appointment letter pajir ponlo la det pen boring claim bomb wang bomahut Chiklo Jon trok ana bangki provisional salary piponlo Bonsdami Chiklo Jon trok eta pike nang pipedalo pinyani an Chiklo Jon krep ho an pleng thutang elo la sojok Thanbang atum kisung kachetong nang dukpiklo lasi manpeng kedo Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Executive Member Dr. Tuliram Ronghang lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Education in Charge EM Richard Tokbia tum langchari don pen SIU sai pichun pon pen kibangji surihini raing kora pli arkoi Chiklo pen abangki Bainong kiti ponji aphan aninjit he ponlu puta than pon thu
nilitum puthot alangli liram Ronghang sarphan ning chitheu se alangli la an akam tame pesen pen pachun lo ahok lo alangli kaike ta juarni thang public krisi rada phan lok si kame claim office tame la nilutuma kam tame asong bong pen isi enang chota kam lo ma thara prabjin pen isi mesen concrete step tengra like SIU sai bangke prabjin pen ang pachun pi phansi nilitum sodak pen
Dongmu kak pen sem singing ti Karbi Anglong live